Ah, kala mo ah. Dami ba? Sorry. Balik ko. Balik ko. Question, how do you make the egg coffee iced? And then, final touch is the cocoa. Ay! Cacao powder.
Hey guys! Good morning! Welcome back again to another episode of Exploring with Them. And right now, mga nakapambahay lang kami. And suot ko na yung crocodile ko na bunny. Oh, di ba? Anyways, we are here at the train street dito sa south. Ito yung LED 1 na area. And ang pinilang namin sa Grab is itong Hanoi 1990s train street. So, tara, pasok tayo.
Ito pala yung menu nila. So, order lang kami ng bakshu and salt coffee. Time check pala, nakalimutan ko i-share. It's 8:25 in the morning. Wala pang gaanong bukas. Ito pala si Hanoi 1990s. Pero check natin, lakad na lang tayo dun. Mamaya. Lakad tayo pag train. Lakad tayo papunta doon kung may mga bukas pang coffee shop. Pero right now, ito lang yung open. And sakto 8:50, 8:55 may dadating doon na train as per the tour guide.
Hey everyone! So kakadaan lang ng train and saktong-sakto 8:55 yung train dumaan. And kumusta yung experience? Nakakatakot to. Nakakatakot. Pero ang saya. Ito pala dito, kasi ito pala yung feeling ng mga nasa TikTok na nakikita ko tsaka sa YouTube. So, yeah, na-experience natin. If you want to try, dito lang yan sa Hanoi 1990s Cafe. And actually, wala pang halos tao. Kami lang yan. And yung mga nasa siguran ko. Pero dumating kami ng mga bandang 8:20. Wala pang tao eh.
Dapat agahan nyo kasi may mga tour dumarating.
Yeah. Sumabay kami sa mga tour eh. Halos mga 8:20, 8:25 sila dumadating. Kasi may ibang na late, mga 10 minutes before. Pero ayun. Yeah, masarap naman yung kape. Try niyo yung salt coffee, masarap. Yung baksho ni Rai, lang, mapait. Pero okay lang din. Pero ako, I'm a fan ng salt coffee talaga dito sa Vietnam. So we are now back and naka-check out na kami ng hotel. If you want to watch, meron tayong separate vlog for the hotel review. Ngayon, dito tayo somewhere sa old quarter and we are going to have our lunch here. Ayan. Sa harap yan ng hindi ko alam ano yan eh. Okay, food is here. Sobrang bilis ng serving talaga. And we have itong char siu pork, tapos parang roasted something yung kay Rai.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken, yeah. Hindi siya fried, roasted chicken. Fried ba? Anyways, let's eat. Try muna natin yung fried rice with egg. May pasabaw. Sarap ng fried rice.
Parang kumakain na order.
Sarap na. Deserve itong maging Michelin.
Ha? Try mo dito sa matagal na sasabi.
Cheers, guys. Meron yun. Sarap.
Hey guys, so we're now done sa ating lunch. Sobrang sarap niya and very sulit. Actually, hindi ko naubos yung rice kasi sobrang dami. So, if ever pupunta kayo dito tas small tummy kayo or small eater kayo, maghati na lang kayo nung isa nyo pang kasama na sakto lang din kumain. And anyways, we are now on our way to our coffee class na binook natin via Klook. Ilalagay ko dito sa screen kung magkano yung ating price at i-link down ko yan below. So, itong overview lang, yung coffee class na pupuntahan natin is tuturuan niya tayo ng 4 na kinds ng coffee kung paano gawin. So, black, brown, white, at saka egg coffee. So, we're excited! Let's go!
Hey guys, so we're now here. However, hindi namin alam kung saan exactly dito. Kasi kapag binook mo siya sa Klook, marami kasi siyang companies or maraming nag-o-offer. And then, itong nabook namin is nag-message siya sa WhatsApp ng address. And ito yung pinin namin. Kasi yun yung binigay niya. Nahanap na namin, ayan siya. Itong nasa likuran ko. Dito tayo mag-coffee class. So, ito yan. Ayan, nire-ready na nila.
And here is the color. The structure is very simple. In here, and then it is have any one of you guys have coffee?
This is black coffee, guys. Sarap. Baka mag-scrambled egg talaga to. Kala mo ah. Dami ba? Sorry. Balik ko. Balik ko. Lasang custard yung itlog, no? Lasang custard. Masarap. So, next naman is yung parang Vietnamese coffee, yung condensed, plus black coffee, plus ice. Makapait naman. Buhos ko to. Alam ko na. Question, how do you make the egg coffee iced? We just put ice on it if you want it to be iced?
But put ice before you put egg coffee.
Okay guys, so 4 lang kasi yung class, 4 lang yung kinds ng coffee na binook namin via Klook. Pero sinabihan kami na pwede kami mag-upgrade. Kaso kasi yung gusto kong coffee nandun. So meron pang gagawin na salt coffee. Plus na isa pa siguro coconut coffee. Yung mga specialty coffees kasi. So nag-upgrade na lang kami. Sabi niya, pwede naman daw magbayad. Hindi ko alam kung, basta babayaran na lang namin yung presyo ng kape.
30 millimeters of the creamer.
Beautiful, beautiful. And then, final touch is the cocoa. Cacao powder. Salt coffee. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko out of all the coffee. Sabi ko pa kay Ray kanina, mamaya bago tayo pumunta sa airport, magkape muna tayo. Huwag na. Huwag na magkape. Pang-5 na namin to.
First one we need 30 from each people because here is not.
Anong lasa?
Lasang latik.
Okay, let's try the coconut coffee. Gusto ko siya. And ang maganda nito is i-share naman sa inyo yung recipe ng lahat. So, ayun, pwede kayo magbenta sa Pilipinas. Thank you, Thank you so much. Aftermath. Almost 2 hours.
Kasi 6 tayo.
6 kasi yung kinds ng coffee. So, nag-start kami past 3. Tapos kami 4-ish. So, almost 2 hours. Pagka 4 kinds, mga isang kalahating oras lang.
Coffee class is done. Sobrang saya nung class din. If you're going to Vietnam and in Hanoi, hindi ko kung meron to sa Saigon or sa Ho Chi Minh. Pero dito sa Hanoi, sobrang saya niya kasi especially puro Pinoy kami. May isang Hong Konger lang pero umalis din siya after the 4th cup ng tinuro. So lahat kami nag-stay, lahat ng pinag-stay until the 6th cup. So kami nag-book lang kami ng 4 again tapos nag-add lang kami ng 200,000 dong. Dalawa na kami nun. So wala pong 500 pesos yun.
And dito na po nagtatapos ang ating last day here in Hanoi, Vietnam. I hope I was able to help you guys in case you're also planning to visit Vietnam. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can comment them down below or you can message me personally on my social media accounts flashed on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating video. future travels. Again, this is Dan Vieja giving you contents, anything and everything under the sun. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.